What if Earth has been seeding Venus with life for billions of years? Sounds wild, right? Not little green aliens, tiny microbes and organic bits riding shotgun on rocks. The idea is called panspermia, life or its ingredients spreading between worlds. Asteroids, comets, debris blasted off planets by giant impacts. We've argued about Earth and Mars swapping stuff for years. Now Venus is in the chat. A new study presented at the 2026 Lunar and Planetary Science Conference takes this seriously. Researchers from Johns Hopkins APL and Sandia. They use something called the Venus Life Equation, built by Noam Eisenberg and colleagues in 2021. Think of it like the Drake equation. Multiply a bunch of how likely is this factors to get one big maybe. First myth to bust. Space is not kind. Brutal shock, crazy heat, vacuum radiation, and temperature swings. But here's the twist. Meteorite studies show some organic stuff can actually survive ejection and the trip through space. The real challenge is Venus. To make it, those bits need to get into, and hang out in, the cloud layers where conditions aren't instantly deadly. So how do space rocks behave in Venus's atmosphere? The team modeled bolides, big fireballs, using the classic pancake model. When a rock airbursts, it shreds and spreads into a flattened cloud, like a cosmic pancake, full of fragments the researchers call cells. Some of those fragments can slow down enough to stay suspended in or above the clouds. Here's the jaw-dropper. Hundreds of billions of these cells may have been delivered from Earth to Venus over time, and hundreds of billions potentially staying viable long enough to matter. On average, about 100 cells sprinkling into Venus clouds each Earth year. Over the last billion years, maybe 20 billion total. Caveat time. Every step is uncertain. The VLE has big error bars, and the atmosphere physics is complex. But if a future mission finds microbes in Venus's clouds, one legit explanation is this. They might be our distant, wayward cousins, born on Earth, ferried by rocks, and parked in Venus's skies for days at a time, once in a while, century after century. Wild? Yes. Impossible? Maybe not. Let's keep uncovering the mysteries together. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.